obviously every situation is different. You'll want to plan accordingly for terrain, weather, potential wildlife encounters. But I say the top 5 things to have in your kit would be 1, food, granola bars, trail mix, easily portable and accessible. 2, a variety of adhesive bandages for cuts and scrapes. 3, hydrocortisone cream or Benadryl for any allergic reactions. 4, NSAIDs such as Tylenol and Advil for any bumps or bruises. And lastly, a multi-tool. You'll want to base your decision off of how long you plan on hiking for. General rule of thumb is that you'll want to have 1/2 liter for every 2 hours that you're hiking. That's about 2 cups of water. So for a 2-hour hike, you're going to want to have 1 liter of water. You'll generally have to increase this if the temperature is warmer. It's important to note that heat exhaustion can come on very rapidly, sometimes in just a couple of minutes. You'll be thirsty, you'll have a headache, lightheaded, dizzy, difficulty with speech and cognition. You'll often be sweating excessively and have generalized weakness. If you find yourself experiencing any of these symptoms, you should immediately seek out the closest source of shade or cool, fast running water. You want to sit or lie down, loosen any tight-fitting clothing, and sip on cool water until you feel better. Wait until conditions cool down to make your egress. For a fun, easy hike within city limits with great views, Huff Acre Lookout Trail is great. For individuals that have dogs that want them to run off leash, Hidden Valley has a ton of trails. But our personal family favorite is Galena Creek Nature Trail. Lots of trees, shade, running water, plenty of wildlife, and it's easy to do with kids.